spoken narration, ghostwritten by Kurzgesagt, mimic their style closely. The respiratory system is a marvel of biological engineering, a complex network of organs and tissues that work together to ensure we get the oxygen we need to survive. Let's dive deeper into this fascinating system. Speak in the first person. Imagine taking a deep breath. As you inhale, air travels through your nose or mouth, down the trachea and into the bronchi, which branch into smaller bronchioles, finally reaching the alveoli. These tiny air sacs are where the magic happens. The point of a video is to form a deep connection. In the alveoli, oxygen from the air you breathe passes through thin walls into the surrounding capillaries. Here, red blood cells pick up the oxygen and transport it throughout your body. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism, moves from the blood into the alveoli to be exhaled. This exchange is vital for maintaining the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in your blood. With the audience, avoid mentioning the name of the ghostwriter. The diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle at the base of your lungs, plays a crucial role in breathing. When you inhale, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, creating more space in your chest cavity and allowing your lungs to expand. As you exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and moves upward, pushing air out of your lungs. This rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the diaphragm is what enables you to breathe in and out effortlessly. But the respiratory system does more than just facilitate gas exchange. It also helps protect your body from harmful substances. The nasal cavity, lined with tiny hairs called cilia and mucus, acts as a first line of defense, trapping dust, pollen, and other particles before they can reach your lungs. The cilia move in a coordinated wave-like motion to push trapped particles towards the throat, where they can be swallowed or expelled. Additionally, the respiratory system is equipped with immune cells that patrol the airways and lungs, ready to attack any pathogens that manage to get through the initial defenses. These immune cells, including macrophages and lymphocytes, play a crucial role in keeping your lungs healthy and free from infection. The respiratory system also enables us to speak and produce sound. The larynx, or voice box, located at the top of the trachea, houses the vocal cords. When you speak, air from your lungs passes through the vocal cords, causing them to vibrate and produce sound. The pitch and volume of your voice are controlled by the tension and length of the vocal cords, as well as the force of the air passing through them. During physical activity, your respiratory system works even harder to meet the increased demand for oxygen. Your breathing rate and depth increase, allowing more oxygen to enter your lungs and more carbon dioxide to be expelled. This increased respiratory effort is supported by the cardiovascular system, which pumps oxygen-rich blood to your muscles and organs, ensuring they have the energy they need to perform. However, the respiratory system can be vulnerable to damage from environmental factors such as smoking. Smoking introduces harmful chemicals into the lungs, which can damage the delicate alveoli and cilia, impairing their ability to function properly. Over time, this can lead to chronic respiratory conditions, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD and lung cancer. On the other hand, regular exercise can have a positive impact on your respiratory health. Exercise strengthens the muscles involved in breathing, improves lung capacity, and enhances the efficiency of gas exchange. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle and avoiding harmful habits, you can support the optimal functioning of your respiratory system. Practicing deep breathing exercises can also benefit your respiratory system. Deep breathing helps to fully expand the lungs, promoting better oxygenation of the blood and relaxation of the diaphragm. This can be particularly helpful in reducing stress and improving overall respiratory function. The respiratory system is also remarkably adaptable. For instance, when you travel to high altitudes where the air is thinner and contains less oxygen, your body adjusts by increasing your breathing rate and producing more red blood cells to carry oxygen. This adaptation helps to ensure that your tissues receive enough oxygen, even in challenging environments. From infancy to adulthood, the respiratory system undergoes significant growth and development. In newborns, the lungs are still developing and their breathing patterns are often irregular. As children grow, their lungs and airways mature, becoming more efficient at gas exchange. By adulthood, the respiratory system is fully developed, capable of meeting the demands of daily life and physical activity. As we age, however, the respiratory system can experience a decline in function. The elasticity of the lung tissue decreases and the muscles involved in breathing may weaken. This can lead to a reduced capacity for gas exchange and an increased risk of respiratory infections. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and avoiding smoking, can help to mitigate these age-related changes and support respiratory health throughout life. The respiratory system does not work in isolation. It is closely connected to the cardiovascular system, which transports oxygenated blood from the lungs to the rest of the body and returns carbon dioxide-laden blood back to the lungs for exhalation. This intricate interplay between the respiratory and cardiovascular systems is essential for maintaining the body's overall health and function. Mindfulness and meditation practices can also support respiratory health. By focusing on your breath and practicing controlled breathing techniques, you can enhance your awareness of your respiratory patterns and promote relaxation. This can have a positive impact on both your respiratory and overall well-being. Looking to the future, advancements in medical technology and treatments hold promise for improving respiratory health. Innovations such as regenerative medicine, advanced inhalation therapies, and personalized treatments are paving the way for better management and prevention of respiratory conditions. By understanding and caring for our respiratory system, we can breathe easier and live healthier lives.